Yo, boom! It's your boy Step back with another video. So yeah, today's video, Majida, is about how to sound like USIMAMANE, bro. How to sound like USIMAMANE. This is a beat I made now. It sounds like this. This is the guitar. This is an octave orchestra found in citrus. Sounds like this. Then this is a trumpet. Sounds like this. It's just in the background. Pack. Symbol. Head. It's a reversed head. Height. Reminds me of a Kindly Nash. Kick. Snare. Sounds like this together. I bet. So you're gonna take your cock vocals, which are these, my USIMAMANE back with the flows. I got enemies, those are fools.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Passing lane to lane with a Lamborghini. She got big ass, I call her cuckoo. Shorty so finding them nigga. I'm even embarrassed to let you hear these cock vocals. Here, this is a chant. It's just a chant saying USIMAMANE. 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 If you wanna know how I did the low octave, I just went here, went down to C6, just like that. So you're gonna take your cock vocals, which are these mine. Firstly I just put in auto-tune, then I put in the vocal, this preset, the vocal presence, which increases the highs and decreases the lows. Took in fruity reverb.
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no.
Stock plugin, bro. You can use this. Then a compressor to increase the volumes a little bit. Sound good and nice, which is to make it warm. The delay, I just turned it down because it messed up with the vocals. And I copied this preset right here, just decrease the volume, panned it to the right. And here it's just an ad lib, put in auto-tune, fully reverb, vocal presence, reverb here, and panoramic EQ, same shit. In the bass I just put in the chorus, the EQ, put in this preset right here, vocal enhancer. Then I put in 40 multiply band compressor, and I put in this vocal preset. Then it sounds like this. I'm gonna enable a preset by preset, step by step. It sounds like this. Firstly, we're gonna start with the chant USIMAMANE. Sounds like this together. Yeah, biggest hits in the culture. I bet. So then again I did this. We're gonna enable this, which is main to these two. Sound like this. Yeah, biggest kids in the culture. USIMAMANE back with the flows. I got enemies, those are foes. Yes, I know. Tryna be a cover of a magazine. Passing lane to lane with a Lamborghini. She got big ass, I call her bugu. Shorty so finding them nigga lindo. On some big man singing it is simple. Fuck a check, I need the bank. Your baby knows my name. Biggest kid in this culture. I'm a Zulu man with some power. I bet. Once you're done, you should have vocals like this when if you put those presets in. And all together it sounds like this, bro. Yeah, biggest kids in the culture. USIMAMANE, back with the flows. I got enemies, those are foes. Yes, I know. Tryna be a cover of a magazine. Passing lane to lane with a Lamborghini. She got big ass, I call it Pugu Pugu. Shorty so fine, the nigga lindo. Once I've been dancing in it, she's in mood. If I can check, I need the bank. Your baby knows my name. Biggest kid in this culture. I'm a Zulu man with some power. USIMAMANE, bro. So yeah, if you want the full beat, make sure to comment down below and I'm gonna send it to you. It's not free. Peace.